Over the last decade, public sector organisations in Wales have been placing more focus on designing and developing digital public services. Now, often they've done that without many standards, frameworks or guidance from which to work. Now, that can lead to inconsistencies in the way that relatively similar or familiar services have been developed. It can also mean lots of different but related organisations working in silos. What we've seen through this work is that actually can create some frustrating and really disjointed experiences for service users. It can also mean that there's not a great deal of sharing of lessons learnt and best practice amongst that community developing and designing those public services. This research has really looked to understand if there would be a benefit and there would be a real value in Wales having its own design system. That would benefit those that are developing and designing those public services here in Wales, but ultimately it would benefit people like you and me, the people of Wales that are looking to access those services. It's been a busy few months with the Design System for Wales discovery. We've spoken to 27 different organisations designing digital public services in Wales, and over 30 people have taken the time to really feed in their views individually. We've also conducted a survey which has given us some great detailed insight into how people go around designing digital public services. And we've spoken to companies and even countries about the design systems which they use. So from this really robust research base, we've now developed some recommendations and some really clear findings about what this could mean for the future. We'll look forward to sharing those with the team at the CDPS in the coming weeks and providing the CDPS with a clear set of recommendations for them to consider about what the future for a design system in Wales may look like and what their role may be within that.